In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Instagram not letting you post more than 10 photos, up to 20 photos. If Instagram is capping your carousel at 10, this walkthrough will help you enable the expanded limit that's rolling out to more accounts. First, open the Instagram app and try it the standard way. Tap the plus icon at the bottom center to start a new post. On the media picker screen, tap the multiple select icon, which looks like two overlapping squares next to the camera icon. Now try selecting up to 20 photos for your carousel. If it lets you go beyond 10, you're good to go. If you're still limited to 10, don't worry, keep following along because this usually means your app version or installation needs a refresh. Next, update Instagram to make sure you're on the latest release. Head to the App Store on iPhone or the Google Play Store on Android, search for Instagram, and look for an update button. Tap Update if it's available. This feature is new and rolling out in stages, so being on the newest version gives you the best chance of seeing the 20 photo option. After updating, fully close and reopen Instagram, then try creating the carousel again. If updating doesn't help, reinstall the app to clear out lingering bugs and cache data. Go to your phone's settings and open the section for apps or applications, then find Instagram. On iPhone, choose Offload App to remove the app while keeping your documents and data, then tap Reinstall. On Android, tap Uninstall, then reinstall Instagram from the Play Store. Reinstalling ensures you're running a clean, up-to-date build. Before you do this, make sure you remember your login details and be aware that any unsaved drafts could be removed. Once reinstalled, open Instagram, sign in, grant any media permissions it requests, and test the carousel again with the multiple select icon. If you still can't select more than 10 photos, report the issue directly to Instagram. Open your profile, tap the three lines in the top right corner, scroll to help, and choose Report a Problem. In your message, clearly describe what's happening. For example, I can't select more than 10 photos when creating a carousel post. Please update my account to support the new 20 photo feature. Attaching a quick screenshot of the selection limit can help. Instagram typically responds within a few days and may enable the feature on your account during the rollout. That's it. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tips and step-by-step guides.